Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are taking you to IKEA in Jeddah. A visit to IKEA is an all-day affair, whether it is getting lost in the maze-like store or being handpicked between items to buy. In this video, we will give you a brief tour of the different sections in IKEA while also highlighting the IKEA top pick items recommended by several expert reviewers. You can find links to the recommended items in the video description below. So let's go. The living room is one of the most used spaces in any home. Thus, picking the right sofa for your living room is important to give it a comfortable and cozy look. The first recommended item is this wing chair, which is a comfortable piece with a classic look. It is great for reading and relaxing. Its timeless design means it will always be in style. It comes in a variety of colors. You can put a sheepskin, throw, or a cushion to make it look more stylish. This L-shaped sofa can be converted into a full-size sleeper bed. The sofa also has storage space underneath the seat, which is big enough to store pillows and sheets. This sofa is ideal if you are on a budget. It comes in black, beige, dark grey, light grey and blue colors. This 3-seat velvet sofa is a couch made for lounging due to its combination of depth and seat cushioniness. A unique feature of the sofa is the inclusion of 10 throw pillows that serve as the seat back cushions. This IKEA chair is popular for being not only comfortable but also sturdy. Moreover, it is inexpensive and easy to assemble. This IKEA TV unit is durable and lifelonging. It is easy to clean and the small holes at the back keep the wires assembled. The famous Billy bookcase is a staple IKEA item. It is sturdy and inexpensive. Moreover, it has adjustable shelves. As per IKEA, it is estimated that every 5 seconds, one Billy bookcase is sold somewhere in the world. These nesting tables were great for small spaces. They are very light and easy to move around. The next recommended item is the footstool that can be used as an extra seating or hidden storage. These chairs are perfect for when you need extra chairs for guests but don't want to have them out all the time. They are easy to store and comfortable when in use. This tabletop is made of bamboo, a strong and flexible material making it very durable. It's the perfect size for the kitchen and with the 2 folding leaves, it can be expanded when necessary. At IKEA, you get amazing kitchen designs at affordable prices. And the best part is that you can design your dream kitchen using the IKEA planner on their website. This trolley is absolutely incredible. It is easy to build, rolls effortlessly and can be utilized for many things. This big board is my personal favorite. It keeps your things organized and tidily gathered where you can always find them. You can add containers, shelves, letter holders to customize as per your needs. IKEA beds also have the option for storage boxes, which are easy to roll in and out. They are great for people who do not have enough closet space. This reversible IKEA bed is great value for money and offers endless opportunities for customization. You can turn it upside down when your child gets older, creating a play area in no time with space for play and cozy times. If you are looking for kids or home storage options, then IKEA storage units are the way to go. They are easy to assemble, lightweight, and can hold many items. You can add more style to it by adding colorful cabinets, drawers, and baskets available at IKEA. These shelves are perfect for displaying colorful books in your kids' room. Finding your favorite book becomes even easier when all the covers are visible. IKEA's Mala collection has a huge range of arts and craft supplies. You will find paper rolls, chalks, paints, color pencils, markers, crayons, and much more. This easel is perfect for little artists. It has two different sides including a white and black board and a frame at the bottom to hold items. It is also very light and foldable. If you need a little break, then the IKEA restaurant and cafe is a great place. Here you can find a wide selection of delicious foods and drinks. These clips are perfect to seal food and snack bags, which keeps them fresh. The clips come in various sizes and are easy to use. This is the perfect dish drying mat for those big pots and pans. These bowls come in a variety of sizes and are highly durable. You can use them for serving salad or just having popcorns when watching a movie. IKEA offers a huge collection of decorative lightings which can create a warm and welcoming tone for your home. Adding plants to any room will bring vibrancy and brighten up the room. IKEA offers a good collection of real and artificial plants to choose from. The As Is section at IKEA is where you can view the collection of discontinued pieces and customer returns at a reduced price. You might get lucky in finding the item you want at a reduced price and in decent quality. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. We can't wait to meet you again on our next adventure.